Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous Shagun envelope using paper quilling strips and the Gota Patti Lace. Also I will share how to make this beautiful hanging tassels along with the Gota Patti pattern, and the color combination is looking just like wow. The pink, yellow and green are complementing each other very well. You can just open the envelope like this and you can create the knot to close it. Super easy. And the intricate work of paper quilling strips with the ornamental quilling process, it's looking just like a gorgeous one. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking green color cardstock for base, which is 21 by 20 centimeters. From top I have creased at 6 centimeters and 14 centimeters, and from left and right sides I have creased at 1.5 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well. Then we just need to create 4 cuts in 4 corners on the creased line like this till the middle portion, and then cut little diagonally like this. Then we'll fold all the flaps and construct the envelope by attaching with glue. And the envelope is ready. Then I am taking this golden Gota Patti lace, and here I am making the closure of the envelope. So just adding little glue on front and on the back and securing the Gota Patti lace like this. Then here I am taking one strip of yellow color in 3mm and making one tight coil. Then just passing one pencil through this and making the cone shape. Like this, adding glue inside the cone and allow it to dry completely. Then here I am taking pink color yarn and wrapping it around my 3 fingers for 10 times. I am showing here how to create the tassel hanging. Now just passing one more piece of pink color thread through all the loops and make some knots. Then taking one more piece of pink color yarn and wrapping on the neck area of the bunch and make a tight rotations like this. Make 2 to 3 knots. Chopping all the loops from bottom and making all the extra yarns in one level. And the super cute tassel is ready. Then taking this glitter sheet, which is 18 by 1 centimeters, this is the pink glitter strip, And from back side I have attached double-sided tape, so just remove the liner and then wrapping one golden Gota Patti lace which we have used to create the closure, the same lace I am using here, and wrapping it around this glitter strip diagonally like this to make nice border design. Cut the excess lace and this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more strip with same process. Now taking back the envelope, and the cone is completely dried, so I am just passing the one of the corner of Gota Patti from top, and from the bottom I am passing the tassel which we have created. Pull the thread upward using tweezers. Then fill the cone again with lots of glue. Pull the Gota Patti lace little bit and pull the pink yarn tightly. So all the glue will cover the Gota Patti nicely and it will secure. Cutting the excess yarn, and in this way you can simply attach the Gota Patti lace with the tassel hanging. Similarly, I have attached with the other side, and this is done. Then taking one yellow color cardstock which is 18 by 8 centimeters and sticking it on the front flap of envelope. Then decorating the bottom and top using our handmade Gota Patti border strip. Like this, so pretty. Then here I have these beautiful die cutouts. These are from Itsy Bitsy and I have used gold mirror cardstocks to cut these designs, and decorating my envelope from back side. Similarly, I have decorated the inner part of the envelope using some more die cutouts like this. So gorgeous and so festive. Then here I am taking one strip of dark green color in 3mm, dividing in two parts, folding both the pieces together like this. Keep it aside. Then taking one more dark green color strip, dividing in two parts, folding from center. So now we have 4 strips of dark green color. All 4 are half in size. Gather all together, fold it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer and make the scroll. Secure all the ends from bottom using glue. And then just twisting it upward like this. Add little glue, and in this way you can make beautiful paisley shape. Like this. Then taking one green color cardstock which we have used to make the envelope, using the same cardstock and sticking my paisley design on this. Then to fill the center part of this paisley, here I am taking half strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of pink color and making one tight coil. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one more tight coil. So we need total 4 white tight coils, and similarly I have prepared yellow tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip. Now I'm decorating my paisley design using these shapes. And then I am cutting the excess green paper around this design. The beautiful quilled paisley is done. So we need 2 on right side direction and 2 on left side direction with the same process. Now taking back my envelope, and I'll first attach all these 4 paisleys. Then I have prepared 2 scrolls which are made using 1/4 strips in the same dark green strip. So I am connecting on left and right sides. Then sticking some half strip pink color tight coils in between. Then again I'm taking dark green colored strip and wrapping it around my bottle cap and making one ring shape. Then pinching this design on both the sides and making the leaf shape. Which I am going to stick it exactly in the center of the design. Then in the bottom I am attaching some more tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips and 1/8 strips. And also sticking one half strip pink color tight coil in the center. Then on both the sides I am attaching bended teardrop shapes which are made using 1/4 strips of pink color. Then adding 2 scrolls on left and right sides in the center top which are made using pink color strips. And then adding yellow color scrolls, and inside this I am adding white color scroll which is smaller in size. On both the sides I am adding 1/4 strip green color tight coils. Wiping out the excess glue immediately. Then in the center adding 1/4 strip yellow tight coil. Then on top of green tight coils I am adding 2 pink color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. And then decorating with some green, yellow and silver color stones. Like this, and the beautiful and super gorgeous shagun envelope with the Gota Patti decoration is ready. And in this way you can make in different color combinations like red, yellow, orange will look nice, blue, purple, pink will look nice, white, magenta and yellow will look nice. And just open the envelope like this and put your cash inside this, and simply you can tie the hanging which we have created to close the envelope. And I'm sure it will get loved by everyone if you create for someone special. he or she cannot ignore this beauty, I'm sure. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.